What makes us cry? What makes us fall? Why does it all crumble at night? Since you've been gone, I carry on, waiting for you to walk through the door. The more I think of you, the more I want to say I miss you. Love God.